Hey everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show how to make socks. For make these socks, I start from the toes. Make a slip knot and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Slip stitch. Make a chain. Hide the tail of the thread under stitches and make 11 double crochet. Yarn over, going to ring, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and continue. We have totally 12 stitches in first row. Slip stitch, make a chain, going to first stitch, 1 double crochet, make 2 double crochet in each stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, going to next stitch and make 2 double crochets. In this row we have 24 stitches in total. If you want to crochet larger size socks, you need to crochet bigger circle for this part. In last row of this part we have 1 double crochet in each stitch. We have 24 stitches in total. Change colors. Make 1 chain, fix the yarn and make 1 chain, stitch 1 cluster in first stitch, skip 2 stitches and make 1 cluster in next stitch, make 1 cluster, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2 stitches, going to next stitch and make 1 cluster. In total make 12 clusters. I have crocheted 10 centimeters for this part. You can crochet to the size of the sole of your foot. Measure by wearing, then start the heel part. Start to crochet heel with 1, 2, 3 chain and 11 double crochet in each stitch. Make 1 double crochet in a stitch, go into next stitch, make 1 double crochet. We have total 12 double crochet in this row. 12 double crochet in this row and repeat this 4 more rows. Fold this part and join together from two sides. Change yarn colors, make 3 chains, make 1 cluster in first stitch, skip 2 double crochet stitches, 1, 2 double crochet, skip, and go into next stitch, make 1 cluster. Make 1 cluster stitch in each stitch. Crochet as many as centimeters as you want for this part. Make 3 chains, 1 double crochet in first stitch, go to next stitch, 2 double crochet in one stitch, going to next stitch, 2 double crochet in this stitch for all of row. Slip stitch, 1 2 chain and make 1 double crochet in each stitch and repeat these rows.